Bujang enggak? Hei. Duitnya. Iya. Oh, bisa. Apa harus kuda yang pada. Everyone, hold. awal lu saya nak ini ada. Dari aku. Kai gadi. Kon apa kon deh? Kai. Kok kesana gitu semua. Daki. Daki yang pulis kita Kak. Daki sini. Jadi modal hai. Jadi modal hai. Hidup sot hai. Dibra hastene lai buman selai mang. Dibra tani hot lai. Dibra tani hot lai. Dibra tani lai buman distance education hai. University distance education hai. University distance education hai. Jadi modal go back. Jadi modal go to Bangladesh. Jadi modal hai. University distance education hai. Di hostel lai. Dibra hostel sanai. Dibra hostel lai. Dibra hostel sanai. DSM long live. Borok tofa long live. Niru sot hai. Sini bukan kerana lai bukan selai mager lai. DSM be hostel lai. Dibra hostel sanai. DSM be hostel lai. Dibra hostel sanai. Sini 6 Oktober sini agen sakleman motaino sini je DSF sini haste ganangai te haste ni fataro ko Shillong Guwahati hai sini jagao je sini Tripura haste ni sini rajani je itihas ko sulainai JD Mondol hai borok simani te abono kare je Nirusud hai borok rok abono publish khainai Tripura University o ni distance education je political science book from jab tongmani abono sung condemn khainai tini oro haste ganangai sung je agitation khai tongo sung tini JD Mondol haini je book no sung tini shokka sulu bogia sung tini je boni futla busa khai sung shokka karon sung saimano sini Tripura haste hazar bosor sekang sini Tripura sa 184 kingdom bai rule khaijak phayo a jagao bo bahai kai je 550 bosor sekang Tripura ni Bengal ruler by 550 bosor sekang rule khaini bo book siman without good information how bo amtike sikya abna sung condemn khaine sung chine TSF ni ngai Tripura University ni vice chancellor registrar te chine director no sung deputation dikhya te chine deputation no sung deputation dukha borok amno tine chine आज ये बुक नो स्लाइना बाई बरो कग रिख्या अब हाइफेनो संचिनि तिब्रा हास्टेने जे तिब्रा सरंनो सिसारना बागै जे अमता हाय जे मिस लेट खाइतो मनचिनि त्रिपुरानि हिस्ट्री नो जों तिनि फुनुगैना हास्टे गनाङै जों तिनि अमाके शक्का जों तिनि आगरतला टाउन कमिटि नंगैबो जों तिनि आस्तगल मातगानाव समरो फाइने बन फुटला ते जे आ बुक नि कपि जों सकना नांखा जों इ बुक रक जुदि स्लाइजा ग्याहांकाकै जों बसकाङते बो सबा कटर फाइने बागै बाद दंनाय जों बाद दंनान आबन बागै जों त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेन्ट ताइ जे इउनिभार्सिटी अथॉरिटीज नो अबन कबंनाय एज सुन एज पसिबल न आ बुक रंग रेक्टिफाई खाइदि ताइ फ्यूचर जाते आबहाय misled history rok sijak etoi norok abone ensure khaidi abai controversial bugno bahai ke norok university of publish khaide phungi tonma amo sini TSM থেকে তিনি মেসেজ কোন সাই মেসেজ তাই কাছে তিনি যে ইউনিভার্সিটি যে রিভিউ কমিটি না amo saklai nai যে কোনো ইউনিভার্সিটি কলেজ তো বুক পাবলিশ খাইনে সাকাং রিভিউ কমিটি দং আরো আর রিভিউ কমিটি চিন বড় উতং বুইনি বড় উতং norok properly review খাইও bahai bugno pori riton amo sin bagi belek kepal hamia belek khak khamani kok awon bagi ang joto kobongnai joto no aro mini initiative na hande shuru TSA bi amo joto tiprasa lukurong samung Asok sawini sini agitation sini kaham kai nong khas all Tripura event sini Tripura ni fatara bong kha joto na hambai
English one.
Betam sana English bisa nai dan sana aja
Saya kok korban sampai bujang.
Dini puilan chino mo oro Agartala khaijago abon pore Shillong khaijak dongo abon yagulo Sabrom sini Sunai Mandai Dakarjola Gondachora besini teu bisa mon sai jaga rago sini cikon place jot haste ganang ni sang khai dongo omno Today 6th of October as we have declared earlier that a misled Tripura history book Today 6th of October we TSF as declared earlier that one book is teaching in Tripura University Political Science third semester that it is written that Tripura was ruled by Bengal ruler and it is written by the J.D. Mondal and it is authored by the Nirusur and we all know that Tripura was the independent kingdom and 184 king were ruled in Tripura and how can he rule that about 550 years ago some Bengali rulers from Bengal have ruled Tripura and we Tiprasa came from Burma according to that book so this is completely baseless. On this behalf, we have submitted our memorandum and we gave our deputation to the Tripura University Vice Chancellor and Director and registrars too. And also we have given our deputation to our Deputy CM of our state. So they assure us to rectify that book. And on this behalf only, today in the entire state, we are agitating against that book, that writer and that publisher and not only in Agartala, all over the Tripura, also outside the Tripura we are agitating and we burn the book. And not only book, we burn the J.D. Mondal and Nirusur's that teddy bear and we want to give this message that you have to learn the proper history, then you should write the history. Otherwise you won't. Because everybody knows that we have independent ruler and 184 kingdom have ruled us. And how could you wrote that we came from Burma and some other ruler have ruled us? This is completely baseless. If you keeping doing these things, we will not keeping silence in future and we will do whatever requirement. So this is my small message to all the citizens of Tripura. Please wake up. And this is not only the job of our TSF. This is a job of all the citizens of Tripura. So that's all. Thank you.